Next, let us move on to the third problem. To conduct sports day activities in a rectangular shaped school ground ABCD, lines have been drawn with chalk powder at a distance of 1 meter each. 100 flower pots have been placed at a distance of 1 meter from each other along AD, as shown in the figure given below. Niharika runs 1/4 the distance AD on the second line and posts a green flag. Preet runs 1/5 the distance AD on the 8th line and posts a red flag. What is the distance between both the flags? If Rashmi has to post a blue flag exactly halfway between the line segment joining the two flags, where should she post her flag? Now, it is said that the ground is in the shape of a rectangle, and with the chalk powder, lines have been marked at distance of 1 meter each, and 100 flower pots have been placed at distance of 1 meter along AD. Now, see the figure here. So, this is in the shape of a rectangle. The ground is in the shape of a rectangle. Here, with the chalk piece, 1 meter distance, the lines have been drawn. The lines have been drawn with 1 meter distance between each other. And along AD, 100 flower pots are placed. I have not drawn the flower pots, but from 1 to up to D, so 100 flower pots are placed. Now, Niharika is running 1/4 the distance AD. That means on the second line. From second line, she is running 1/4 the distance AD. We know AD is 100 flower pots, each 1 meter distance. So what happens? When she runs 1/4, it becomes 1/4 into 100. 1/4 into 100 is nothing but 25. That means she is running, this is the y-axis, AD is the y-axis and AB is the x-axis. She is running along x-axis, this is second line she is running. So x coordinate is 2 and y coordinate is 1/4 of AD, that is 1/4 into 100, that is 25. So the coordinates of, we are assuming the point P as she is posting a green flag on this line. So we are just marking this P as this point, and the coordinates will be 2 from the x-axis and y-axis is 25. And 1/4 of 100 is 25. So we get P of 2, 25. Okay. Next, Preet is running on the 8th line and she is running 1/5 of AD. 1/5 of 100. 1/5 of AD is 1/5 of 100, that is 20. So 8 is in the x-axis, 20 in the y-axis. So we are assuming the point is Q, where she is posting a red flag. So the Preet is posting a red flag on the 8th line. So the coordinates of this Q is 8, 20. So now we have to find what is the distance between the two flags. That means we are using the distance formula. We have to find what is PQ. Next, it is said that if Rashmi has to post a blue flag exactly halfway between the line segment, that means she is posting in the middle. Halfway means middle of this line segment. So here when I take middle, it is 5th line, I know very well. When she is posting, we are asked to find where should she post a flag. She is posting a blue flag. So we have to find what is the coordinates of this, where Rashmi is posting. Now for this, we have learned before in the previous, when I was giving the formula, I have given you the coordinates of the midpoint is written as x1 plus x2 by 2, comma y1 plus y2 by 2. So using that formula, we can find this is x1 y1, this is x2 y2. We can find the coordinates of R. Or else, since it is halfway, it is divided in the ratio 1:1. We know very well when it is in the middle, it is 1:1 ratio. So we can use section formula also to find the coordinates of R. But midpoint will be very easy. The coordinates of midpoint. Next solution. AD is equal to 100 meters. Distance travelled by Niharika is 1/4 into 100, that is 25 meter. Distance travelled by Preet is 1/5 into 100, 20 meters. So by distance formula, I told you how to do find the distance between P and Q. So x2 minus x1 the whole square plus y2 minus y1 the whole square. Now we have to find what is the position of the green flag posted by Niharika. That is, we have assumed that point to be P, and as I told you, she is running on the second line, so it is 2, 25. 25 is the y-axis, 25. Position of the red flag posted by Preet is, we have taken the point as Q. She is running on the 8th line, so 8 is the x-axis, and 1/5 of 100 is 20, so 8, 20. So distance can be found in this way using distance formula. P is taken as x1 y1, Q is taken as x2 y2. So when I substitute these values in the distance formula, I get PQ is equal to root of 8 minus 2 the whole square plus 20 minus 25 the whole square. So that is equal to 8 minus 2 is 6, 6 square plus minus 5 the whole square. That is root of 36 plus 25, that is root 61 meters. Next, we are asked, let R be the position. We have taken R as the position of the blue flag posted by Rashmi, exactly halfway between the line segment PQ. Now we have to find what are the coordinates of this blue flag. The coordinates of the midpoint, that is, we know x1 plus x2 by 2, y1 plus y2 by 2. So coordinates of R is, using that values x1 and y1, x2 and y2, we will get 2 plus 8 by 2 plus 25 plus 20 by 2. That is equal to 10 by 2, 45 by 2. That is equal to 5, 22.5. So therefore the distance between both the flags is we have founded as root 61 meters. The blue flag is on the 5th line at a distance of 22.5 meters. Thank you.